Ready, set, go!
Aha, got your egg.
Oh, okay.
Oh, man. There, you put that one.
Joshua, the volcanoes.
Joshua, get yours. Joshua, get yours. That's yours. No, wait, no, you got your wrong one. That one was Joshua's because it got in the wrong one. That one was Joshua's.
It doesn't matter. Just grab one. Everybody gets one. It doesn't matter who gets which one.
I got you already.
Yeah, Josh. Go in the dining room.
Liz, I found your Easter egg. Thanks. Thanks, Ricky. Hey, Josh, you want the king Easter egg? Yeah.
Oh, thank you, Ricky.
Hey, I'm going to put that Easter egg, okay?
Oh, I sent him
Oh,
in
and
here.
Liz got some more eggs. Then the jackpot. Hey, Josh, you want the king egg?
Yeah, he wants that yellow. Your favorite color, yellow. Josh, you almost filled your whole basket. Are you counting? Remember when you get to 20.
Okay.
Actually, Ricky's been so kind.
One crack. Hey, Liz, here's your egg. Thanks. Don't open it yet. No, it's just, it cracked open. Hey, guys.
Oh, my egg jackpot.
Okay, ready? I don't know. There's so many eggs.
Go ahead, you're
Hey,
fine.
guys. 7. Here's all the eggs. There's only 8. Get all the eggs. Egg sale here. Who wants eggs? I want no eggs. Here. You want a yellow one?
Oh, Josh, I gotta get you a bag. You already filled up your basket, huh?